Unlock the meaning of hoist with one's own petard. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, hoist with one's own petard. It's a phrase that has a story, a bit of drama, and a great lesson inside. If you've ever been curious about what it means to be caught in your own trap or be a victim of your own plans, you're in the right place. So, let's unravel the meaning together and see how you can use it in everyday English. Petard is a word that takes us back in time. A petard was a small bomb used in historical warfare to blow up gates and walls. The word, hoist, in this context means to be lifted or blown up. Originally, the phrase was penned by none other than William Shakespeare in his play, Hamlet. The idiom, hoist with one's own petard, is a metaphor that suggests being hurt or destroyed by one's own plan or device intended to harm someone else. It vividly describes the irony and justice some might feel when someone's mischief backfires. Over time, the phrase kept its metaphorical meaning but lost its explosive context. Today, when someone says they were hoist with their own petard, they mean that a scheme they devised to cause trouble for someone else has turned on them, leading to their own downfall. You can use this phrase to describe situations in politics, business, or personal life. For example, if a competitor spreads false rumors to discredit another but ends up being hurt by the backlash, they're indeed hoist with their own petard. Let's put our phrase into action with some examples. After planting fake news in the media, the politician was hoist with his own petard when he was exposed and his credibility was destroyed. The CEO was hoist with her own petard when the aggressive takeover strategy led to a revolt among her own shareholders. By trying to sabotage his coworker, he ended up being hoist with his own petard as the plot unraveled and his own deceit came to light. Using these examples, you can start to get a feel for how to incorporate this expression into your vocabulary. And that wraps up our exploration of hoist with one's own petard. It's a useful phrase that captures the essence of poetic justice in just a few words. Remember, language is not just about words. It's also about history, culture, and the stories that words can tell. I hope you found this video enlightening and that you'll be able to spot those moments of self-hoisting in stories you read or hear. Happy learning, and until next time, keep delving into the richness of the English language.